thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking.
Not so fast, not so fast. I cannot walk so fast. Slowly. Raven, go. Hindi tayo lalayo, ah. Ito lang tayo sa bungad. Hindi ako takbo pag umulan. Iwanan ko kayong dalawa. Or iwanan nyo pala ako. Ako pala iiwanan nyo. Tatlo lang kami. Today is Friday. Nag-day off yung isa. Medyo okay naman na yung paak. Paak ko. Hurry up. Hey, no. What is that? Raven. Go. Sala mo po ah. Oh. Then you almost... Ay, Diyos ko, itong dalawa na to. Lahat na lang every punong kahoy, mag-i-stop tayo. My goodness. Move. Someday. Dahan-dahan lang. Ito kami sa kabundukan. Ito lang sa malapit sa amin. Hindi ako makalakad ng malayo. Raven, you're so full. Paano kami ito? Bob. Hanggang saan tayo? Ay, nyo talang bumalik. Ha? Go. Go. Oh my God. Hindi na talaga kayo na ano? Aray ko, shot. Dalawa na to. Hindi na natigil. Ay, shoot, may lamok. Go. Yep. Raven mob. Pwede mag-stay dyan, na daming lamok. My God. What's that sound? What's that sound? Oh, what's that sound? Buti ano na, tuyo na. Ilang days na nag-uulan. Kaya hindi kami makapunta dito. Wait. Yung paa ko. My God. Hila ka ng hila eh. Ay. Buhay. Go. Move, move, move. Just sit for a while. My paa is something wrong. Wait. Stay. Water? Huh? Some water? Ayun. Eh, daming lamok. Okay. Hala. Hurry up, ang daming lamok. Ah. Maya. Okay. Maya. You don't like, then you don't like. Dalawang kuting.